Friends, this is a blogger which is just created by me today, and now I'm gonna showing you this website. This is just made in a blogger, and its name is Ideas Mag, and URL is uideasmag.com. It's a theme. I have just created it now. Now I will show you that how to do the settings from a beginner to an advanced. So first go to the settings here. You have edited your title here, then add a description. Good. Now this is a blog language. If you want to add something another, but the default is English. You can also add a favicon, which is this. Now come here, I will tell you something another. You have to add meta tag. Meta tag is actually a description which comes here when you search something. Like the below this is meta tag, where Pak MCQs is the Pakistan largest MCQs website. Now this is a meta tag, and if you want this meta tag in your browser, so just add it here. And I have added that it is an educational blog for learner and contains educational based quizzes and MCQs, etc. Now come here. You have to add that you have to enable the custom Robit header tags, and then for the home page tags you have to enable the all and no DP, and then for archive you have to add no index and no DP. For post and page tags you have to add all and no DP, and now you are all done with it. Now after that you have to add a good theme, but when you made a blogger, these are the default themes of the blogger and you do not find a good one. So now I am going to show you the best theme to download like me. Now search here Ideas Mag. It is the best template for the blogger, and it is all for you. Download this template from here, and just then what you have to do is to edit here email, and then you have to click press the control A button and this backspace, so this all will be cleared, and you have to copy the HTML of that template from where you have saved that in your computer, and then you have to add that here and then save. So now you would have get a website like me, Ideas Make. Now let's see if I add something, what would come there. Now I'm adding a post here is D D D D D A. Now let's add something more here. Now I'm copying an image from the Google. Now leave this image. Okay, now this is a post. Actually meta tag helps you here, that when you add a search description that comes there of that post. Now I have published a post, but let's see it here. This is a post. Now all we have done with this logger. Now I'm deleting this post. This is stats, means that who is visiting your website. All time is 68, today is 68, yesterday. Now, and more about this blogger, I will show you that google.com, Android blogger.com and other. One is from United States and one is from an unknown region, and 62 are from Pakistan. Here is the comment section. Earning, if you have added something that you can earn now. This is the best one option for you. Here is a page. Let add. I have added already, which is contact me. You can contact me by an email, which is click on here. So it is the best one. Now all we are done with the blogger. We have done the settings, we have done the theme. Now let's come towards the theme of this blogger, but we will learn this theme ideas meant, but we will learn this in our new video. So keep connected with me and also watch my new videos, and also like this video, subscribe my channel for more informative videos.